everyone, my name's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about a fragrance from one of my very favorite brands. So I'm sure you can tell by the title what this is, but I'm going to give you a full experience on this fragrance. So of course you can purchase this, I think only from the Louis Vuitton store. I'm not sure if you can get it anywhere else. Let me know if you know. So you get the shopping bag, which love. Inside, of course, you do get the little envelope, which is the proof of purchase for whatever you buy. Leave that in there. Now the fragrance, I'm so unorganized. I really need to get more organized. But the fragrance itself comes in packaging like this. How stunning. So this was actually a collaboration with an artist, and it's just so cool and different to their normal boxes, which look like this, just in case you were wondering. So, I mean, this is just a lot more fun in my opinion. Now, inside the box, they have these cylinders, which I love. I think that I'm just obsessed. Honestly, they have got the packaging 10 out of 10. I absolutely love this. So it just has the white Louis Vuitton logo on the top, and of course you open it like this, and then your fragrance is inside. And the fragrance bottles, I absolutely love the shape that they went with. I think they're so classic, so minimal, but so different, and just really, really cool and nice in my opinion. And I loved with the collaborations how they've done like something a little bit more different and special. Like, it's not just the liquid inside that's different, it's the actual bottle color that they've changed. So I really love that. So let me tell you a little bit about this Cactus Garden fragrance. So for pricing reference, they come in two sizes. So the 100ml is $440, and the 200ml, which is what this bottle is $680. So I do feel like it is definitely on the pricier side. Unfortunately, when you are sort of paying for a brand, I guess, it is definitely more expensive. But two amazing things that Louis Vuitton actually offers. The first being you can have your bottles actually personalized. They have an engraving service. So you can get like your initials or just like a couple of letters or a date or something, you know, obviously personal and significant to you on your bottle, which I absolutely love. And the second being the fact that these are actually refillable. So super environmentally friendly, which I absolutely love. Now, the only thing, I don't know how much it is to refill these bottles. I couldn't find anything. I was gonna call the store, but I just haven't. So I love that they do offer that service in some boutiques though. Just keep that in mind. And of course, they're only gonna refill your bottle with the fragrance that you purchase. You're not allowed to get a different scent. So I just think that that is a really great idea that, you know, they're looking out for the environment. It's not as much wastage in the terms of bottles, especially if you're going through them a lot. So yeah, I really love that. So the notes in this fragrance are actually the smallest amount of notes that I have personally ever seen. So it just has lemongrass, mate, which I've never heard of, and Calabrian bergamot. So that's it. Super simple. That's it. Now, what they say about this fragrance on the actual website to help you maybe understand this a little bit more, what it smells like. It says, the enthusiasm of mate to exalt the emotions, the cool freshness of an exotic patio, a breath of leaves defies the heat wave like an enchanted Frisian on the skin. I'm so sorry about my pronunciation. Master perfumer Jacques Cavalier invites mate that singular tea from faraway lands into a perfume that expresses the atmosphere of a tropical forest. It comes together with powerful and voluptuous Calabrian bergamot, while tangy, bright lemongrass illuminates this extraordinary fragrance. To complement the light within the cologne perfumes, Maison Louis Vuitton asked the Californian artist Alex Israel, that's who the collaboration's with, to surround them with creative radiance. He envisioned a joyful design with pop colors that celebrate this summer without end. And that is how they describe it. So this bottle as well, I absolutely love the magnetic top. I just think it's so, like, it's just so luxurious. Now this fragrance, as you can tell, I haven't used a lot of it. This is a very, very specific fragrance in my opinion. I either go through stages where I absolutely love it or I absolutely just do not reach for it at all. So yeah, it's very, very specific, to be honest. I don't feel like this is a fragrance where you're gonna get a lot of people asking you, what is that? To be honest, I just don't think it's like a crowd-pleasing fragrance. Super niche, like very, very niche. But, okay, so the Automizer, amazing. Louis Vuitton has incredible automizers. They are so fine and it just is so lovely to press down, and it just, like, the mist goes really far as well. I absolutely love everything about the design of this bottle. Now the fragrance, I don't know, for me, I definitely need to be in the mood for it. It's super lemongrassy with the touch of bergamot. I don't know what mate is. A tea based thing they just said. Yeah, I don't think it's bad. I really don't think it's horrible, but I don't think it's amazing at all. Would I repurchase this? Absolutely not. And I probably wouldn't put this on the list of recommendations to purchase on someone else's behalf because it is so, so specific. Now, it's hard because as I said, I go through stages where I do reach for it and I do really like it, but I'm not in that stage at the moment. The dry down is exactly the same in my opinion as the initial spray, so you're still going to be smelling the exact same thing as the opening. My husband does wear this a bit. It's a unisex fragrance, but I would say it's a touch more feminine as well. It's not like deep and masculine at all, and I would say that this is probably definitely more of a hotter weather fragrance. It just doesn't suit the winter months in my opinion. So yeah, I think it's definitely something to smell if you're in the store or if someone you know has it and it's easy enough for you to, you know, try it. Definitely try it. But I just don't think that this is going to be one of their most popular fragrances in my opinion. I know I keep saying that, but this is obviously very personal because I know someone might have this and absolutely love it. All of this is just my opinion, but yeah, it's not the worst fragrance, but it's just definitely not one of my faves. So yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have a Louis Vuitton fragrance, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you have and your thoughts on the actual brand doing fragrances. I would love to hear from you. They actually have quite a few different ones that I really actually want. So my wish list is always growing as well. But yeah, thank you again for watching. I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.